Hey you guys, so today we're going to be talking about our Ipsy versus Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. We finally got them in. It is really late at night, y'all, and I finally got my bag. It is about 11 o'clock, so excuse me if I'm looking pretty cozy. I'm not going to lie to you guys. This is my favorite sweater. It cost me $8 at Ross, and it was the best time of my life. We're going to get jumping right into this. If you guys are wanting to know all about Ipsy, I will have all of that good stuff linked down below. We're going to go ahead and get started. But if you guys have one bag or another and you guys are wanting to know maybe specifics, I'll go ahead and have markers for you guys right over here also. The very first thing I have in my bag, which I think is so freaking beautiful, this here is by SL Mrs. Glam. SL Miss Glam has some of the prettiest brushes. I freaking love this bag. This is definitely a clutch bag. Like, you could totally take this out if you're wearing like a black little dress or something. I actually like this bag, and I don't say that often about these Ipsy bags. I also have this by Steve Laurent. It is this really pretty rose gold box. So this here is a lip oil, which is in the shade Orchid. You guys can see it's clear, but it's got like a slight tint of a baby pink to it. That reminds me of Banana Boat. Y'all remember that stuff? Spray that stuff on your body and lay out in front of in the sun. Oh yeah, good times. Ooh, this is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I actually have the full-size version. The first one I have before this, I actually purchased on my own. This one we got in a box, and I don't remember which box I got it in. I had an issue with this one particularly, like the product just kind of, too much product comes out onto the wand and it makes it really clumpy. I don't know, I feel like I got a dud with this one. I mentioned it in my video last couple times I used it. I'm a little saddened by that, but if you guys are wanting volume, that's definitely a mascara I think you should try out. The next thing I have here is by Cake Naturally Luxe Beauty. This here is Heavy Cream, totally to die for, intensely smoothing body butter balm. Ooh. The next thing I have in here is by, what's this little box? Pacifica Rainbow Crystals Liquid Mineral Strobe Multi-Use Highlighter. So this one's got a shift of like bluish purple tones to it. Not my cup of tea. This is definitely outside of what I normally play around with, especially with highlighter. I will probably pass this on to like my daughter or my niece or somebody, like one of the kids that'll play makeup. So I have one thing left, and this is another brush. Not often I get that many brushes. Farrah? I've never heard of the brand. So here is the brush. Do you guys see the detail on this though? Like right here. So you can like hold onto it really nicely. I really like that. So that's all we got in that bag. Let's move into the box. So first thing I see is by a company called Smith & Colt. This here is the Book of Eyes Eye Quad Palette in Ice Tears. Is that blue? Yes. Here is the packaging. Yeah, that's actually the way it's supposed to be. At first I was like, oh chits, it broke. I think maybe when you lift it, your fingers rest on it. You get a nice full-size mirror, and then here are the shadows. You get a nice little quad. Let's go ahead and do some swatches on the hands and see what it looks like. So we got this little icy color right here, which is not really coming off. I definitely feel this is more of like a true shimmer where you're definitely gonna have to use some sort of like glitter base or something to it. You've got one matte shadow in here, which is this grayish tone shadow. Ooh, this like gunmetal silver tone. Oh, that's my favorite right there. Oh, I would do an entire look just off that. And then the last one we have, why? Oh, don't be dry. Don't be dry. Is this deep, deep blue. Definitely could see myself doing a really pretty look with this. Let's see how much this retails for. Okay, let's move on. The next thing we have in here is the 111 Skin Harley Street, London, and this here is the Vitamin C Brightening Booster. This one here is supposed to improve dull and lax skin, and it's a highly concentrated booster, targets signs of hyperpigmentation and a regular skin tone. Right up my alley. Oh, what's this? We got Estee Lauder, folks. We've got an Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy Sculpting Lipstick. I've actually never tried an Estee Lauder lipstick. The one that I have is in the shade Never Enough. Oh, yes. This is not red. Why did I think it was red? Look at that. That is like baby doll pink. I'm really excited about this. I really like that. Actually, look at the cap. Watch. Oh, what's in this bag? Look at that, folks. This is by Farrah, which I think that's the same brand that we got in our last bag, isn't it? Really pretty. It's got the same handles, the gold handle with that little indentations right here to hold on to. This looks like a blush brush, a stippling brush, and then a contour brush. This here is by Lancome. I love these shadows. These are the Monochromatique. I think I said that right. I actually own quite a few of these and I love them. I used one the other day that was like a lighter taupish color and it was gorgeous. These shadows require no assistance. Like you don't need anything else. You literally just put them right on and they're so buttery and smooth, you guys. Look at this shadow. Oh, they do have quite a few of these. They're very beautiful. If you guys haven't tried them, you definitely should. So that I'm really excited about. I actually like that we got some Lancome, we got some Estee Lauder in here. And the very last thing, we are getting a bag this month, and this is what it looks like. I actually like it on the blue side more than I like the silver, but this is kind of cool. I like it. I wanted to mention, because they also talked about this in the card, but if you guys did not know, Ipsy has a little tab in their site called Ipsy Shopper, where if you are a member, you can get an extra 10% off on products that they sell. They have Too Faced Bare Minerals, Tarte, they have MAC, they have a bunch of brands. So if you guys are needing to get gifts for anybody, a family member, girlfriend, nieces, cousins, sisters, anything like that, or maybe you have a little bit of extra cash left over and you're like, oh, I'm gonna treat myself, definitely check that out. If you guys are wanting to get any makeup purchases before you make any makeup purchases, head over to Ipsy and take a look, because you do get an extra 10% off if you guys are members. So that is what I got in my boxes for this month. Let me know down below if you guys have received your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box yet. Maybe I'm the late on the boat, or maybe you guys even haven't received it either. But if you guys don't know, I do upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. So make sure to subscribe if you guys aren't subscribed, and make sure to catch a new video every day. In December, I am going to be vlogging every day, but just in general, I do Tuesday, Thursdays, and Sunday uploads. And I think besides that, we are good to go. I will see you guys in my next video. And if I don't see you then happy holidays, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.